Hello, good morning, everybody. This is Janpha Thadphoothon. I'm an English language teacher at Thurikit Ban University in Bangkok, the capital of Thailand. And I'm interested in using technology to enhance, English language teaching and learning. So I'm Janpha Thadphoothon. So what I'm doing today is showing you one of the, uh, you know, web applications that I've been working on, and this particular application, as you can see, is I called it a multilingual support system, or MSS, for Thai street vendors. Thailand is one of the top tourist destinations in the world, so every year we have millions and millions of foreign visitors coming in, and they usually try and they love to come and you know try the local delicacies, the local food. Yeah, usually Thailand is also a renowned destination for the street food. There are many street food vendors, I think millions of them. So if you come to Thailand, maybe you're from Russia, from China, or from the Netherlands. Well, you come to Thailand, maybe you want to try our street food. So very often, the street food vendors may not be able to speak your language or speak English. This is the system with the aim to give a bit of support. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it is better than nothing. It's better than nothing. So I'm gonna show you how I would call it a system work, the web application system work. So as you can see on the screen, this is the name of the application, a multilingual support system for Thai street vendors. And you can see here this is the main is part of my personal website, janpha.com. And you can see the this is the QR code. Okay, if you want to have a go, I mean, is if you know Thai and you want to try it, you're welcome. Okay, as you can see here, this is the URL that you can have access to, and yeah, it's mainly in Thai. Okay, yeah, okay. So let me show you how it works now. On the right hand side, you can see a what we call a chat function here. This is where everything is taking place. So you can actually have a look at here when you say the word ขอบคุณครับ. If you are a Thai vendor and you cannot speak uh, the target language, you can actually type in the Thai word ขอบคุณครับ, and immediately the return will be in the what we call in the English language first. It will come like thanks. Now if you want to you know translate, or you want to communicate with, like, let's say Japanese or Chinese, you can, yeah, like Japanese, you can actually turn this into the Japanese version. With the Thai version is still here. You say ขอบคุณครับ, like you can see the script here. This is the Japanese word. If you know Japanese, you will see that you say konnichiwa, and then you say ขอบคุณครับ,สวัสดีครับ konnichiwa, ขอบคุณครับ, arigato, arigato, which means ขอบคุณครับ. So this is quite yeah, there are other languages, like if you have Chinese, that would be 谢谢, and 谢谢你, 你好, ขอบคุณครับ, 谢谢. I hope my pronunciation is right. Or you can even try the the Burmese, like this is or the Myanmar language. Hello, Jesu Tin Ba Day, or you can say Jesu Ba Day. This is the, or you can try the French. Yeah, bonjour, merci beaucoup, something like that. So it's very but the default language here is the English language, is the default language. You can even try another word like if you want to ask them where you from มา you can type in Thai มาจากไหนมามาจากไหนครับคุณมาจากไหนครับ so the return will be where do you come from นะมาจากไหน where do you come from if you want to turn that into yeah turn into let's say Russian it can be yeah this is the Russian word I don't know Russian as I said it's not perfect but it is better than nothing if you want to say มาจากไหนครับ in Russian this is what you have to say let's say if you want to do it in right you know maybe Spanish yeah Spanish yeah this is the Spanish version or Japanese okay so let's return to the default so as you can see that a multilingual support system is very useful for Thai street vendors you know there are a lot of Thai street vendors who may not be able to communicate in the target language and Thailand welcome international travelers from around the world and there are hundreds of languages so what I'm showing you is just a handful of the of the languages that we can put into the system of course the web application is still in the in the beta version is in the developmental stage but intent my aim is to make it very useful for for every Thai street vendor it will be useful not only for Thai street vendors but for everybody I mean especially foreign visitors to the Kingdom of Thailand okay I'm Janpha Thadphoothon and I hope you enjoy my show thank you for watching